Hello there, Simon here. First of all, thank you very much for your decision to join the Webnestify channel membership. It really makes me happy to see you there. So in today's video, what I'm going to show you is how you can integrate your Authentic instance with the Open WebUI for seamless access for all of your users in your company or even for yourself or your family members. So let me jump straight to the browser. And first, what we need to do, just open your Authentic as always. You can go to applications and we will create our new provider. If you don't know what that means or some stuff, feel free to watch the previous video where I talk deeply how you can set up your Authentic. So once you are ready, we will create our new provider with application. We will name it Open Web UI. This is our Slack. We can go next. And again, it will be OAuth2 OpenID provider. We click next. Authorization flow, choose your authorization flow. Then make sure to copy this client ID. And now you will need to go back to your terminal or VS Code, as we will need to edit some environment variables in our application. So let me open VS Code, I think. Yes. Okay, VS Code is opened. Where's the window? Okay. So I already put some predefined values for you, so you can just copy and paste. But still, you will need basically to remove those comment lines like that. Okay. Oh yeah, I should control and select to remove everything at once. And first variable is enable OAuth sign up. That means true. That means that you are enabling the SSO functionality. And then, for example, if you have user accounts with the same email, then it will merge them into one account that you control in your Authentic. You can keep this on true, or you can disable it. OAuth provider name is Authentic. And here in OpenID provider URL, make sure to specify your Authentic instance. So it will be idp.webnestifytutorials.com. And also, as you can see here, we have the application Slack. So when we go to our browser, you can see that our application Slack is basically the name of the application. So it will be, let me open it, double check. When we go back, it will be Slack Open WebUI. So let's go back to our VS Code. Let me change the Slack. And now we can copy the client ID from your instance. And yeah, we can paste it there in our code. And now we can copy our client secret. So make sure to reveal it. And you just go back and you paste it there. It's pretty simple, right? And another thing, OAuth scopes will be OpenID, email, and profile. And the redirect URL, we need to this will be your redirect URL to your Open WebUI instance. So it will be over UI vntutorials.com, but make sure to put your own domains, right? Then we have WebUR URL, which is Open WebUI.vntutorials.com. Enable login form. you want to set it false, because if you want to control it with Authentik, we don't need any login form. You will have a button to sign up with Authentik, and I will show you. And after that, make sure everything is correct, and we can save this, and then we can go back to our Authentik to finish setting it up. So let's select implicit. This is fine. Signing key is okay. And here we will need to add the redirect URIs. And you basically copy this from the environment variable, which will be exactly this one. Let me put it there. And also it needs to be strict. And after that, you can click next, and then you can assign to your users group. That's completely up to you, to which groups and users you want to give it. And you can save bindings, you can go next, and you can submit, and we should have our new application. Once this is done, we need to go back again to our terminal or VS Code. Open your terminal, navigate to the Open WebUI folder, and type docker compose stop. Again, I don't have any permissions. Why? All right, once everything is done in Authentik and here, all you need to is to open a terminal, navigate to your Docker and open WebUI. And now we need to stop our Docker container. So it will be Docker compose stop. And I don't have again permissions. 1 second. So I just do sudo Docker compose stop. And once your Docker container is stopped, you need to run it again. So Docker compose up -d and sudo docker compose logs -f to check the logs and press enter. And now we should be all good to go. So let me move back to our browser. Okay, so we have Authentik there, and when we can log in, is just go to Open WebUI, Webnestify tutorials.com, and we have internal server error. Okay, now it's all good. The Docker container was starting. And as I was saying you, now we have only continue with Authentik. So let me click on that, and hopefully everything will be up and ready for us. And yes, it is. So as you can see, the account was merged, and we also have the chats that I was making those when I was creating a tutorial how we can deploy Open WebUI. So yeah, that's pretty it. Let me also test when I sign out, and also sign out from the Authentik. And also, most of the time with OpenID, it will ask you that you log out of Open WebUI, and also we can log out of Authentik. So we can log out of Authentik, and we can now go again to test it. We can continue with Authentik, and now we can log in here. What password? Okay, I'm gonna save this, and we should be redirected here. So as you can see, everything is working seamlessly. And if you have more users, the new user accounts will be created in the Open WebUI. So yeah, that's it for this easy tutorial, and I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to join the Webnestify Discord, and also we will get access to the premium channel, the VIP channel. So yeah, I hope to see you there soon.